Look at that, dude. And we're not even at the best spot yet. We gotta rip through a little bit more. But like, it's completely overgrown, if that makes sense. And I think it looks amazing. But it's sketchy. Oh, like that. That scared me. That is so scary. Oh my god. A fucking squirrel made me jump, dude. But that's the thing about this. Let me put my goggles on because I can't take this. There's little bugs everywhere. The last place I want them is in my eyes. That, dude. Earlier in the year, like winter time, like fall, I guess, it was like really, no, spring. Yeah. Like white through here. I have a picture on my phone. But I need to take another picture because look at this, dude. That place looks good. Looks way better like this. It used to be really barren. Like when the winter time is what I was talking about, like winter and fall. I don't even think I was back here during winter time. Look at this. It's just nature everywhere, man. That's so crazy. Like, it did not look like this. You know what I mean? Like, all right, off to see something even crazier. Just literally right around the corner. Oh, don't do that to me. Puddle of water. Don't want to splash that. Been setting for a while, and I'm not really prepared to be splashed. Like, look at this, man. The only thing they do is just keep the pass mode and let the you know what I mean? They just let it do what it does. I don't want to go all the way that way. Ooh. Look at this. How crazy is that? It didn't even look like this when I was here last time. That bird scared me. I thought I saw something different. There's that, and there's this. Look at this. This isn't really a marked path. This is where those deer go. That's one of them. This isn't. It's getting kind of hot. Still can't believe I got startled by a squirrel. That's so stupid. A squirrel threw me off my game. Some kind of like wool, cotton coming out of these trees. Cottonwood. Makes sense, doesn't it? You hear it? Look at that. A photo wouldn't do this justice, dude. It's magnificent. I need to... Sorry, I gotta get pictures of this. I want to see on this part too. Whoa, looks even crazier. You can see all this cotton falling down over the top. Well, if it wasn't obvious, I'm a bit of a freak of nature. You know what I mean? Like, oh my goodness, I'm burning